Welcome to our video on welding structural steel. We'll explore the essential principles, including types of welds, joint configurations, and factors influencing weld quality. Understanding these concepts is crucial for creating strong and durable welded connections. In structural steel welding, fillet and groove welds are the most common. Fillet welds join surfaces at right angles, while groove welds align members in the same plane. Each type offers different levels of strength and rigidity. Welding can be performed in various positions such as flat, horizontal, vertical, and overhead. The choice depends on the orientation of the members. Techniques like shielded metal arc welding are selected based on material thickness and quality requirements. Joint configurations like butt, lap, and corner joints are common in welding. Proper preparation, such as beveling for butt joints, is crucial for achieving strong, defect-free welds. This ensures the integrity of the welded structure. Welding symbols in drawings specify the type, size, and location of welds. For instance, a triangle indicates a fillet weld. Understanding these symbols is vital for accurately interpreting welding requirements and ensuring precise execution. Weld quality is affected by factors like heat input and travel speed. Common defects include porosity and cracks. Identifying and correcting these defects is essential to maintain the structural integrity of welded joints. Mastering the principles of welding structural steel ensures that joints are strong, durable, and meet safety standards. This knowledge is crucial for producing reliable and effective welded connections in various construction projects. Thank you for watching.